52-year-old Jack Carpenter is on trial for murder. The Ishpeming man's trial got underway today in Marquette County Circuit Court. TV6's Jennifer Perez was in the courtroom today. She joins us now with what happened in today's proceedings. Jennifer?
Steve, Jack Carpenter is not only looking at an open murder charge, he's also facing a felony of firearms charge. He's alleged to have shot and killed 29-year-old David Meyer on June 2012. The shooting happened in Carpenter's house. The question, the trial, is debating is whether Carpenter shot Meyer in self-defense or if it was murder. Both sides provided opening statements as to how David Meyer was killed. The prosecution team says Carpenter was under the influence of alcohol at the time of the altercation with Meyer, which led to his death. The prosecuting attorney says Carpenter was the attacker.
He stood up and had the gun out and approached David Meyer. And the evidence will establish from two different individuals that David Meyer said, "What are you going to do, shoot me? You going to shoot me? Go ahead and shoot me."
The defense says David Meyer was under the influence of drugs throughout the day and went to the store to purchase ingredients for meth making with a friend, Justin Sari. And Carpenter went along as well.
Argument, and he produced this Rambo-style hunting knife under the influence of the illegal controlled substances. David Meyer gets up and says to Jack Carpenter, "I'm going to kick your."
The prosecution presenting their case called their first witness in, Deputy Betsy Roshan. She initially responded to the incident. Wiese questioned her about how she found the demeanor of the defendant after confronting him about the incident.
He wasn't able to stand. He swayed a bit. He was very slow in his speaking. His eyes were bloodshot. Every time he spoke, there was a heavy smell of alcohol on his breath.
Expert witnesses were also brought to the stand. A firearms expert spoke about his findings on the path of the bullet. The bullet was found in the wall, and he says the bullet had an upward path. The prosecution will continue their case tomorrow morning with additional witnesses starting at 8:30 in the morning. Steve?
All right. Thanks a lot, Jennifer.